Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. I know how much you guys loved my last video on DIYing Indian clothes, or like DIYing Western dresses into Indian suits. So I picked up a few other items that I wanted to share with you guys that I've turned into more Indian suits, and this is also from ASOS that I'm wearing right now. And again, it was a dress and I've turned it into an Indian suit, and how appropriate with this thread work on this suit. So I'm going to start off with this one first. Again, I'm headed to a party, so I thought what better time than to film now since I'm already wearing this outfit. So let me show you guys what it looks like and how I turned it into an Indian suit. Okay, so basically this was a dress, but I think it is so appropriate for an Indian anarkali suit, and it's so pretty and flowy. And I just paired it with the white pajama, which I already had from other suits. And then this is my mom's chunni that I think kind of goes with it. It's hot pink with like these really pretty silvery flowers on it. So I thought it kind of goes with this outfit, and I just threw it together. But I think this looks so nice as an Indian outfit, probably even better than it would look as a dress. And I will be linking the price below for this too, but the design on it is so pretty. And it did have like frilly arms, but I got them cut off and just left it to the little like scalloped edges. But that's basically the first outfit. I'm gonna show you a couple more. But yeah, I really like it, and I think this was under $100. I will be linking the price below, but let me show you guys the thread work when I turn the camera around. So this is basically what the thread work looks like, and this is on the arm, and I think it looks so pretty as an Indian suit, and I love it kind of with like a high neck. I think it just makes it look so much nicer than a regular suit. But yeah, I really like it. Let me know your guys' thoughts. I will be sharing a couple other outfits with you, but not today. I'm headed to a party now, so I will be sharing those probably tomorrow. But yeah, this is like one of my favorite outfits, and I just paired it with these silvery rustic earrings, and that's my look for today. So for this outfit, I have this dress from ZARA. It's actually like meant to be like a summery dress that has kind of like this thread work on it, and I thought it would be such a perfect dress to style as an Indian suit because of the kadai on it. So I just paired it with a plain white pajama and these nude heels, and then I also threw on this chunni that has some gold work on it, which is super pretty. And then I just paired it with these Indian earrings and a bindi. I'm going to show you guys, turn the camera around and show you guys close up of what this top, or I guess like the dress, looks like. And I thought this was such a clever way of wearing an Indian, or wearing a dress as an Indian suit. I think this look is perfect for kind of like an at-home event, whether it's like a mendi or manya at home. I think this outfit is perfect for that, and I love this pop of color. I don't have anything in this blue, kind of like royal blue tone, and against this white kadai, I think it just looks so pretty. Okay, so this is basically what the thread work on this looks like. I love the little detailing on the neckline, and even the arm has this little detailing as well, and then the kadai goes all the way down to the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see, and then it also actually is at the back of the outfit as well, so it's super pretty and detailed work on it, so people will definitely think this is like an Indian suit. So that's my first outfit. Let's now move on to the next one. Okay guys, so for my next outfit, it is this beautiful dress. I believe it's by the brand Needle and Thread on ASOS, and it is just such a pretty outfit. Again, I just wore it as an anarkali. I did get a pajama made with this, and I love this kind of net detailing on it, and I also got a chunni with it. This is the outfit, and actually this is one of my favorites. Like, I just love the detailing on it, and this is probably one of my favorite outfits because the kind of like the detail work up here, it actually makes it look like it's an anarkali, and nobody will know that this is a dress that you're wearing as a suit. And just to show you guys quickly the detailing on the kind of like the top part of this dress, it is so pretty. I love these pink tones in here, and it's all thread work, which is so pretty. It's got a little nice detail here which cinches at the waist, so super pretty outfit as well. Okay, so you guys, so last but not least, we have this outfit. This lehenga I've had for a few years now, and I've gotten so much use out of it because I just pair it with different tops. So this time I paired it with this crop top from ZARA, which is so fun. I love the polka dots on it. It's a really nice contrast, and this outfit you could actually wear to like an Indian party or even a Western party. For an Indian party, if you wanted to pair it with the chunni, you could totally do so, but I just wanted to show you guys without it because I just loved the way this whole outfit looks. It's super elegant. I did keep the Indian earrings on, and I still have my bindi on that I was wearing before, but you guys get the idea. I think this has to be my favorite outfit, hands down. And that's it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I again love sharing these kind of fashion type of videos and how to get creative when it comes to styling Indian clothes. So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know if you want me to film any other videos because I love to take your guys' suggestions. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of my new uploads, and I will catch you all next time. Bye bye.